Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's workout, ang focus natin is conditioning. So ayan, forward, backward, alternating count with push with your partner. So yung tip sa pag-push is kailangan alalayan nyo lang. Kung medyo malakas yung partner nyo, bigyan nyo ng tamang bigat. Pero kung nag-a-adjust siya at hindi pa niya makuha ang footwork, lalo na dito sa lateral, bigyan nyo lang ng tamang push para maalalayan siya. Ayan, si JB medyo mabigat kaya si Lance binibigyan niya ng tamang puwersa para ma-challenge si JB. Next guys is finishing. As you can see, nasa right wing kami. Dribble right hand going to the basket. First sequence is right hand finish. So first is my board. Second is swish. Third, reverse. And then fourth, floater. Then after nyo ma-hit lahat ng shots, switch kayo ng teammate mo. Yung next move guys, habang ginagawa ko yung drill na to, feeling ko talaga travel ako eh. Pero nung pinanood ko, hindi ko pinick up yung bola. So let me know in the comments kung 0 step pa siya. Then next, after nun, tinry ko lang i-mix yung mga finishes to high pick up, low pick up, tapos Kyrie pick up. Next is right hand dribble, left hand finish with boards, no boards, reverse, and floater.